Yo, hello everybody. How you guys doing? You guys are doing good and wonderful. All right, all right. You know, I just want to update you guys and let you guys know that yeah, I'm back today, man. Been a long time ever since I did a live stream or update you guys on here on YouTube. So today, guys, I'm back right here. So you know what it is. We're back to trading, man. So yeah, today I'm right here in the office and you know we're about to get things started as usual because in a couple of weeks now I've been away and not concentrating on trading and stuff like that, guys. So now we are back, man. We are back. So starting from today upwards, we are going to be trading and let's see what the market have for us. Well, according to my observation right now and according to the analysis, both fundamentally and technically, the market is on retracement right at the moment. So yeah, maybe in few hours or days, the market will come back to normal and it will be stable, right? But as of now, the market is just retracing right now, guys. So there's no problem. All you have to do is do your analysis and make sure you are watching the market fundamentally, technically, and sentimentally, right? So that you can know what exactly is going on and so that you just be up to date and stuff like that. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm trying to look at USDCHF today so that we can do one or two analysis before we continue, right? And of course, I'm looking to sell this USDCHF, but I'm still waiting for the market to give me a signal confirmation, right? So let me go back down and share this link with our free Telegram channel, premium and the VIP students, so that they can come and join us as well. Like I said earlier on, it's been a while, man. It's been a while, so it is what it is. But today, hopefully, we are back, guys. We are back. We are back. We're back, man. All right. So yeah, let's continue with the analysis, guys, and stuff like that. And of course, like we do, if you have one or two pairs that you want me to analyze for you, you can just send it in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, can you just check this particular pair for me, analyze it and stuff like that. I will gladly analyze it for you, right? So yeah, guys, JK is saying, all right, let's get it, bro. Come on, everybody. It is what it is, man. All right, it is what it is. So yeah, like I said, I'm back. So let's get it. Let's go back to usual, to normal. Because these few weeks have been busy, bro. All right. So today, like I said, I'm looking at CHF. I mean USD CHF. So I'm trying to short these guys. So I'm going to be risking around 50 pips. So you see that my stop loss is above this previous resistance level. So if this resistance is broken, this is going to be the next resistance zone. If I want, I can just adjust my stop loss to be above this resistance. But if you adjust it, the risk to reward ratio is going to reduce. So it's better for us to keep it at above this recent retracement level, right? So this is a resistance line, guys. That's why you see my stop loss is above this very resistance, right? It is very, very important. So we are not just randomly placing our stop loss and take profit. We are placing our stop loss and take profit according to what had happened in the market, right? As you can see right here, it's practical, So we are not just randomly putting our support and resistance, guys. So make sure you have some certain things that you consider before you put your take profit and stop loss, so that you can know exactly what to happen in case if the market reach those level, right? Okay, guys, and yeah, like I said earlier on, we are back right here to trade, live on YouTube. send you signals and stuff like that. All right, guys. So if today is the first time here, my name is Israel the Trader, and welcome back, everybody. You are subscribed to the channel. You are welcome back. You're not yet subscribed. Make sure you subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that whenever time we go live on YouTube, you'll be the first person to get a notification, right? Or to be notified, right? So that's it. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up. And if you are not following us on social media platforms, links are in the description of this video. You can just go there, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and our free Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right, let's get it. Let's go with the analysis and stuff like that. Okay, let me just read out what you guys are saying in the chat section. Somebody said, okay, Privilege is saying that, hi Israel, can we look at NZDCAD ahead of the BOC and CAD interest rate decision? I see sell off. Okay, Bank of Canada, so that's the meaning of BOC, which is Bank of Canada update is coming soon. But let's check fundamental aspect of this forex trading so that we can know exactly what is happening, right? USD, we are having a MBA 30-year mortgage rate. Okay, yeah, BOC interest rate decision. Okay, that's Bank of Canada. Okay, it's medium here. Okay, this is a PMI, which is Prime Minister. Say okay. All right, so yeah, we have a couple of news here, guys. Let me check it out so I can see what exactly is happening and what had happened in the past and stuff like that. Okay, consensus. Okay, actual 56.4. Okay. All right, got it. Sentiment. The sentiment is okay. Sentiment 55% short in USDCAD. 45% long on USDCAD. That's the sentiment. So these are the card pairs, guys. These are the card pairs. You can see the sentiment on it. So if 55% are short on USDCAD, you see that USD is going to be weak and CAD is going to be strong. That's the meaning of that stuff. So yeah, hopefully CAD is going to be strong. The monthly indicator of economic activity that is compiled by the Ivy Business School at Western University and evaluates. Okay, anyway, no need for me to read this out, so I know what's going on over there. All right, guys, so yeah, got that. So yeah, hopefully CAD is going to be strong, guys. CAD is going to be strong according to some of the things I saw and some of the things that I'm seeing right now. So yep, and USD expecting it to be weak. All right, guys, so we'll now go down and check it from the technically now, since we know that we are expecting CAD to be strong. So yeah, let's go down and check out for this USDCAD. Let me check USDCAD first before NZDCAD. Okay, this is USDCAD. All right, let me delete this. I think this was the analysis I've done couple of days back and stuff like that. You know that it's been long I traded now. Okay, all right, guys. Yep. I'll see a sell off on this USDCAD. All right, this is daily time frame, guys. So let me put my support and resistance on this daily time frame. Like I said earlier on, guys, if today is the first time here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share the video with your friends and family, and most importantly, guys, subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, and follow us on our social media platforms. I do share a lot of signals and stuff like that, and tips and tricks of how you can be a profitable trader. So if you want to take your trade to the next level, make sure you follow us on our social media handle, right? And of course, you can do that by just going down in the description of this video and follow us on Telegram, Instagram, and also our Twitter handle. So yeah, let's go back down and do our analysis, guys. This is USDCAD now daily time frame. If I'm doing my analysis, I like to start it on the daily time frame because I'm a swing trader and also I'm a day trader, so which basically means that I hold my trade for some days or I hold my trade for some weeks, right? It depends on what is happening in the market. So if I'm doing my analysis, I like to do it on the daily time frame first, go down to the 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame. Then from there, I go down to the smaller time frames, being 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, so that I can just look out for entry points to get into the market, so that I can take advantage of all the move that is going to happen in the market on that particular period, right? So all right guys, so this is USD card now, daily time frame. As you can see, it's very obvious, right? So I will start out by putting my support and resistance right there on this daily time frame, and I have color for these support and resistance on the daily time frame, which is green, right? So whenever time you see me putting this support or resistance being green, that means that I plotted my support or resistance on the daily time frame. So hopefully you understand what I mean by that, right? Okay guys, so this is the support and resistance on this daily time frame, and I like to put at maximum of 5 support and resistance on daily time frame whenever time I'm doing my analysis, guys. And also I'm seeing a potential trend line on this um USD card daily time frame. So this is a potential trend line, but let's just move it to the recent one. Though this one is missing, but let's leave it like this because that's where the market reacted to. But we had a fake breakout anyway. That was a fake breakout. So let me change the color to green to indicate that this is a daily time frame. All right, guys. So we are back down on the 4 hour time frame now, and since this is 4 hour time frame, I'm gonna adjust this, let it be at the week. I'm supposed to put it at the week on the daily time frame, but I didn't do that. So all right, so this is it guys, and I will have to just work with what is happening around this area. No need for me to do so much things, guys. Okay, hopefully you guys are kind of picking one or two stuffs here. So this is another resistance level, so that's for our time frame, and I'll leave it like that. So now let's wait for USD card to give us a very good indication that it's gonna go down to the downside, because right now is kind of tricky based on the fact that if it breaks out of this zone, definitely USD card is gonna come up to this point, technically anyway. But let's see what is going to happen in few time. So the news is going to happen in about 4 hours, almost 5 hours from now. So 5 hours from now, that's going to be around the 3 p.m. our time. So yeah, so in 5 hours this card news is going to be released, and also it's some USD news. So yeah, this is medium. I'm expecting a USD to be weak today, and of course let's see what is going to happen, guys. you know let's see what is going to happen. So yeah, back to your question, privilege. Let's go down and check NZDCAD for you. So let's check NZDCAD, and of course, so like I said, on USDCAD now, I will be shorting. In fact, the market is giving us a sell signals on the 1 hour time frame right now, guys. Yep, it's giving us. But let's see if this candle is going to close as some sort of evening star formation. So this is gonna be an evening star formation if the candle close maybe around this area. So let's wait for the confirmation to happen first before we get in on this trade. And of course, I'm planning to short this short this USD card for 150 pips. So let's see what exactly is gonna happen on USD card in few hours. So all right, guys, let's go back down to NZD card, because that was the question that privilege asked us to do. So all right, this is daily time frame on NZD card. So there was a time that I did a prediction that from here the market is going to come back down to the downside, and of course it did came down, but not to this point, but it came down to this level, and this was around 170 pips move. So it is what it is, man. All right, so I'll clear this so that we can understand how to do it, right? So this is daily time frame now, and I will start by putting my support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? So yeah, You already know what's happening, guys. I just wanted to just come up live here on YouTube so that I can just tell you guys that yeah, I'm back to trade, man. I'm back to trade. So let's just see in few minutes. Sorry, I'm trying to check something, guys. All right. Okay, got it. So yeah, if you did not give this video a thumbs up yet, smash the like button, man. I don't know what you are waiting for. Smash the like button. Do it right now, That's the only way you can support us. So all right, so let's get it. Let's start by putting the support and resistance. So I'm trying to get my support and resistance on this daily time frame now. There is another resistance over there, but I like to use this. I would like to use that as my resistance. Yep. So yeah, this is the support and resistance I'm going to be working with on this NZDCAD. Let's go down to 4-hour time frame. You can see that this is 4-hour time frame, guys. So okay, got it. There's nothing much happening, but I like to see the market at this zone before I will sell it. Wait for the market to head over to this previous resistance zone before the market will push down to the downside. So the market can either come down to this point for another retracement before it pushes back up. So let's see what is going to happen. So but according to this technical analysis right now, the market is going to go up to this point. It's going to go up to this point like this. But let's check out for the fundamentals if we have any NZD news. And of course, we'll be having NZD news in about almost 14 minutes. In 14 hours. In 14 hours, let me check NZD. What is the sentiment on NZD? Nah, don't short this, man. Don't short this. Don't short this. The short position is high, only 3% long on NZDCAD. Never go short on NZDCAD, guys. Don't ever, never, never, never. Never, man. Don't go short right now. Don't go short, guys. Don't go short because the market makers will try to put those 97% traders that are shorting this now into a trap. So just trap them and hunt for stop loss hits. So yeah, like I said, wait for NZDCAD to come up to this point before it's going to go down to the downside. Make sure you do that, guys, before you execute a trade on NZDCAD. CSKI is saying that let's go easy the trader. Come on everybody, we're back, man. We're back. I'm back. We're back. We are back. I'm back. It's all the same thing. We are back means all of us. We are back, bro. All right, got it. So that's what is happening on that. Let me check SHIB. Okay, this stuff is going up as well. It is what it is. Down. So this is this. So let's just wait for it to come up to this point before we'll decide and start selling these NZDCAD. For me to trade NZDCAD, I would rather trade USDCAD, not NZDCAD. Because if you are trying to trade NZDCAD right now, there's not much fundamentals that will make NZD to be weak. And I'm seeing that NZDCAD, it might come up to this point first before it's going to go back down for a sell. Because right now the buyers are getting exhausted, but the sellers are not yet strong in the market. So there's no strong signal for me to go short on NZDCAD, guys. But on USDCAD, I have a reason why I can short USDCAD right at the moment. There's a reason for that, guys. So you can short NZDCAD as well. USDCAD done for you to short NZDCAD. So you see, those are the those are the, some of the, what is you call it now? Oh my goodness, I'm out of grammar, man. All right, so it is what it is. Yeah, those are some of the aspects or some of the things that I consider before I get into any trade at all in the forex market, be it indices, indexes, or currency pairs. I like to consider some stuff before I head over and start trading it, right? I don't randomly get into a trade without me doing my fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also sentimental analysis, So yeah, I'm in a buy now on CHFJPY. I think the market makers want to go down and hit our stop loss, but it is what it is. I'm down on CHFJPY for like about 17 pips now. I'm down 17 pips on on CHFJPY. So yeah, if you want to get in on this particular trade, you can still do that. But like I said, I'm in a drawdown of 27. Oh my goodness, where this particular pair is moving, man. Almost 30 pips. Oh, come on, everybody. I think, is there any fundamental move? Oh, Euro, AUD. There's no fundamentals. But then what happened for this particular stuff to move like this? My stop loss is about to be triggered, man. I risked 40 pips here. You can see that I risked 40 pips. So it is what it is. If my stop loss is being triggered, let it just see. Okay, all right. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down and hit this stop loss, but okay, let's see if it will close below this my support level. If it close below that, definitely, it might hit my stop loss. So I risk about around 2% of my account. So once it get me out of the market, I lose, I will lose 2%. So it is what it is, guys. So I'll lose 2% on this account, man. All right. So you just know how to trade and know what you are doing, man. Know what you are doing. Make sure you know how much you are risking per each trade, guys. So I'm down 33 pips now. It is what it is. All right. I'm still holding the trade, guys. I'm still holding it. So let's just see what is going to happen on this. And I might trade this USDCAD, but let's see. Like I said, we have to wait for this candle to close, maybe right here to give us this some sort of evening star formation. So let's continue to wait for confirmations, guys. Like I mentioned, if you follow us on Telegram, Instagram, and stuff like that, you know that I said that all of these pairs are kind of retracing. So let's just wait for the retracement to finish before we go and execute all of these trade, guys. All right. So yeah, let me go down and check what you guys are saying in the live chat section. Somebody saying, I hear you, man, not shorting the NZDCAD. All right, bro, don't short NZDCAD for now. Come on. Don't short NZDCAD for now, guys. Market makers will try to play a lot of things, man. So you see, trying to go back up. So it might come up to this point before it's going to sell. But right now, don't ever make an attempt to sell to short NZDCAD. Come on, compare the sentimental, bro. Oh my goodness. If you see that, you know that there is no way market makers will go for 3% traders, which are retail traders, right? You see, this is NZDCAD right now. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Where's that NZD? See NZDCAD, guys. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. Let me show it to you. NZDCAD 97% short on NZDCAD alone. Can you imagine? 115.07 lot size on the long position, which is 3%. Don't ever go for that, guys. It's better for you to go for what they used to call it. In fact, don't even trade it. Don't even trade it, because buyers are not strong in the market anymore, and sellers are neither strong in the market. This is where market makers will come and hit stop loss of these people that are shorting this NZD card right now. So don't just jump into this. I don't like to trade like these guys. I don't like to trade. It's better for me to trade maybe 50-50. If the short and long positions is 50%, then I can do my technical analysis or fundamental analysis and leave the sentimental analysis, right? But in this case now, I'm considering this sentimental analysis, man. I'm considering that. So those are the things that you put into consideration whenever time you are trying to trade in the forex market, guys. Don't just jump in and jump out of the trade and stuff like that. Make sure you have your confirmation that you use in order for you to get in for either a short or long in the forex industry. So yeah, guys, those are the things that I'm seeing on NZD uh, on NZD card. All right, guys. Israel trader. Like I said, I just wanted to let you guys know that, yes, so that you can know I'm available, and also I'm back to trade with you guys live and direct, and I'll update you whatever that is happening in the forex market, right? All right. So Israel the trader speaking, and I will sign out right now, guys. And of course, if you have any question, you can ask me right now. I'll give you 5 minutes for that. Oh, 4 minutes for that, not 5 minutes, before I go and do some things as well. And of course, I'll keep on updating you guys on whatever that is happening. All that you have to do is just follow us on our Telegram channel. That's a free Telegram channel. That's where I actually update each and every one of you guys, about forex trading. So because I can't be updating you guys live and be sending messages or whatsoever on YouTube, that's why I had to create that free Telegram channel, so that we can be in touch, and you understand what is going on in the forex industry, right? Fundamentally, technically, and also sentimentally. I do update you guys right here or right there on our free Telegram channel. And once more again, I'm Israel the trader, and I'm signing out if you guys don't have any question for me. All right, so you still have about 3 minutes left now for you to ask me any question that you have in the forex market before I get out of here, man. All right, guys. So yeah, in the absence of any question, I'd like to say thank you very much for each and every one of you that tuned in to this live stream, and thank you very much for your support and everything that you are offering to ITT. We are going to be taking this level, this trading to the next level, man. It's just I keep on updating you guys. Like I said, our office is coming up, everything is coming up, and hopefully, in 1 or 2 years, you are going to see a massive change and massive thing happening to the team ITT, man. Because I like to think long term, not short time, right? If I'm just here for short time or short period of time, I would not be in this position where I am right now. So thank you very much, and I do appreciate any single support and each and every one of you individually. I appreciate your presence here, man. Thank you very much. I will see you in our next video. Thank you very much, and I'm signing out, man. Have a nice day, and make sure you trade with a very good risk management. I'm Israel the trader, and I'm signing out.